CNC isn't just fantasy, it's nervous system play. It's working with the most vulnerable parts of your physiology and psychology, and that work deserves respect, care, and proper support. All right, let's pause and get personal for a moment. Think about your own boundaries, not just around CNC specifically, but around any kind of edgy or vulnerable experience. When was a time you felt like you wanted to push the edge, to try something intense, scary, or exciting, but also wanted to know that you could stop at any time?